and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from YesFinal. I will pop links of course down to them below so that you can see the site for yourselves, but they were kind enough to send me some items to show you all, so I've chose 3 that caught my eye. This is the first one. Now, this was purely colour. I do like colour quite often at times, and look at the pop on that one. So it's a 30 by 40, it is a round, but look at that. Completely sort of random pattern, but I liked it. It has 24 colours and it does come with DMC numbers. Size wise, it is just short of 25 on the diamond painting area by just short of 35. It is of course a poured glue because it does have a clear cover, but look at that pop. Pop, pop, pop. You get a standard toolkit of a boat wax and pen. And let's have a look at these colours now. I think we're going to get some nice, pretty, vibrant ones. Where's the end of them? There it is. So there is a bit of 3865 in the background, but while there is still some scattered in the middle, while it is a little bit blocky, it's not too much blocky, because you do end up of course with the splashes of colour in various places. But then look at some of these colours. How vibrant are some of these? They're amazing. Mixture of vibrant with the odd muted ones, but look, we get some gorgeous pinks, nice blues, mixture of quite a few different blues which will give a nice effect. We have a few more muted, we have a pop of purple and some grey. Me likes. Well, that's why I picked it, but you know, I do like diamonds with a pop of colour. While these may not always be the ones where I'm like, yes, that needs to go up on a wall in my house, they are the ones that catch my eye and that I enjoy doing. I do the bright coloured ones because they make me smile when I'm working with the bright coloured diamonds. So it's a pure enjoyment painting. Number 2, did I go for colour or did I see a room in a house? You never know. Could be different things depending on what catches my eye. Oh, this one was more of a room in the house. So it's a very, very subtle but more arty potential kiss. So yes, it's definitely more muted colours, this one. It has 24 colours, which is the same as the last one. It is in a round, and it is again down as a 30 by 40, which in the diamond area is just short of 25 by just short of 35. It's like a mini repeat. So yeah, it's the same size as the other one, but it's definitely a different type of image. You do get a toolkit, boat wax pen, and then diamonds wise, of course, it's going to be a little bit different, but you're definitely going to get the effect. There is 310 in this painting, but not too much. We have some darker 310s, 154s. Then we have some nice, more muted colours going into some lighter ones as well. Of course, these aren't necessarily in the order of the painting. They're in DMC number order, but you will find both the lighter colours from down here and some of the darker colours from the top. But we have some really nice, there's a few nice pops of colour that will get added in there, along with of course your more browns and tonal colours. I like. Again, that's why I picked it. But a little bit more, sort of starry as well, maybe mixed in with the art. And then, oh, that one's already cut open. It's probably how I could tell which company it was from. This is third and final. Again, another sort of different type. It's not full on colour. It's not all more muted. But we have, is it Lady Liberty? And Fireworks. We did see Lady Liberty from a distance when we went to New York, but we didn't actually go over to Staten Island. But oh, I just thought it just had that pop. I liked it. We get a standard toolkit. I'm saying I liked it a lot today. But I do. See, I order these and then they arrive and I check, you know, what company it is ready for the unboxings, but I don't actually unbox them, of course, until it's on camera. So sometimes there's a bit of time between the two and I can forget. And of course, seeing them in true life is a little bit different. But we have some purple and then of course some pops from the Fireworks. We have quite a bit of green and blue, as you can imagine, because we've got the night sky and the green as well of Lady Liberty. But then we have some nice pops of colour ready for the Fireworks. Some gorgeous blues though, they are a really nice blue. Lots of different shades of green. We have some purple, that's in the Fireworks too. So quite a few different bits of colour in there just to keep things on the up a little bit. Ooh. Don't know what it is that fell down then, but I like her. So there we go. We have Lady Liberty. We have a more subtle couple's kiss. And then we have a pop of colour purely for enjoyment. I will pop links to these all down below, of course. Thank you so much to YesFinal for sending me these to share with you all. I hope you've enjoyed today's selection. Feel free to go and check them out. And I will speak to you all again very soon.